Hello everyone, today it's September 23. It's just 1 month after my first video concerning that project, which is called the Triptych, flower Triptych. I finished my first layer and I will start my second layer. So the question who pops up is why you need a second layer? Because people, they don't know, they don't imagine why it's so important. So now I will explain you, I will show you the difference between 1 layer and 2 layers. As you can see, the difference is huge, and we can reach that aspect of 3D only if you put painting on the canvas. And the second layer, it's absolutely necessary. But some artists, they don't. So, okay, and we will talk about price now, because that is important also. If you stop at the first layer and if you have the courage to put another layer, which means more time, more color, more strength, more, everything more, okay, the price won't be the same, and you have to understand that as a customer and as a viewer, as a visitor for a museum. So now I would like to continue my idea I spread in my first and second movie about that triptych. It was about the price. Okay, so now as you are more aware about the process of painting, I would like you to help me to make the price. Okay, so that what you see now is the first layer. The first layer took me altogether 11 days. You can comment me down below the video what kind of price you imagine, but it's easy to do that. And at the end, when everything will be finished, I will tell you my price, though, with all additional things. Okay, so now we will talk about what I have done those days. Is one exhibition at Alaya, so stay tuned, you will have the resume of that event. Hello guys, today it's September 15 and I am now in Ayala, where I'm making one exhibition. I don't have much paintings, just 3. I'm exhibiting this bouquet of tulips, and also that flower, roses. Look down. I make a mistake just because I did not know how big is that exhibition. But you know, when you don't know a country, you make a mistake. So next year in September 15, I will be there, but I will rent just one lot for me. The price is 25,000 for 3 days. So that will be interesting, but now I'm sure I will not sell anything for sure. Please stay tuned for the next video, the 4th video. And a big thanks to those who put a price on my work, because it's important to have one idea, external idea, and of course also your critics concerning my work. So if you want to help me, you can also buy one apron like this one. We arrive at the end of this video, so I will thank you very much to listen till the end. If you are an artist, never give up, because you never know. You have your customer. If it's not today, that will be tomorrow. If it's not tomorrow, in 1 week, 1 year, 10 years, 20 years, 100 years. But creating art is making wealth for the country, for your community, for your culture. So never give up. Keep painting. Keep doing art. See you soon in the next video.